assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ziyalali. Omayaba silamu nsinga kunyumirwa b'amataali. Amataali bayimba naye obuzibu balina buli omu. Bakalifa balina obuzibu bumu. Enjala ebaluma mangu.
Kusawa y'amataali? Ate kikira babayise ku mukolo gw'okukola ki? Ogw'edduba.
Ayimba mwenda kikeze enjala n'emuluma. Ate bwe muluma atandika oyita bamaseeka abakoze ku by'emmere. Allahumma malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabbi. Ganamwe mudda Allahumma salli wa sallim wa sallim. Allahumma malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabbi. Wasoka baka Allahumma salli wasoka ni bakangamu. Sebo raga tali muraga murege yekane matali.
Numera introduction. Mwamuko introduction.
Hata Khalifa siyeyo. Allahumma malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabbi. Allahumma salli wa sallim. Ya alladhina amanu sallu alayhi wa sallimu taslima.
Eno byogudde barufu wa muzana. Anje muna etonda.
Ya alladhina amanu sallu alayhi wa sallimu taslima. Atandika namani. Inna qawli sunni muqdiri.
Sallallahu alayhi.
Tajakuni kitabina maruha tajaku.
Allah.
Jannati khasfa udara yunusu khaifa. Towakan. Maulana damu. Allah. Ebigambo by'olwala busibya. Ozijja mukalata. Inna sunni swaiba.
Allah.
Tagamiza sunni kitabina sunni marwa.
Allah.
Injaritani komulwa. Inna zangani sunni.
Sallallahu alayhi.
Aitari okum. Seka udala sokoje. Inna sauni sunni kasifa daraja. Sallallahu alayhi sunni swaiba.
Waji.
Omuchere gwaba matali kuli kutiya.
Musha kulonda.
Balonda muloda astagfirullah. Inna sunni twaiba.
Allah.
Tagamiza sunni bukuda.
Salam.
Budala sokoje. Kairuhu minni fi sunni hafisu.
Waji sema.
Enyama y'abamaseke tusewa
bakagiteekamu amazzi
nfudde inna sunni kitabina marwa. Kati ono yamukutula omutima sayajja kunni kitabina maruhu. Sekana sokoje inna sunni narakainu bukudi. Njagala ombulire ettooke ly'abamataali lituusewa astagafu.
My first time to have a boat cruise, which was supposed to be the best experience ever, became the worst day of my life. Because it was like a bad day on the lake. We reached the lake, it was windy. So we were stuck in the middle of Lake Victoria for 3 hours. The driver, those guys who whatever the boat, the driver or the pilot or what, started bringing uncoordinated jazz. The ho 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 ho. Buchanga nkolano kumazi myaka 15. Chino sichirabangako. We started panicking. It's like, naye chirungi mwambadde life jacket kate mirambo nyangu ja kuzula. We were there in panic. It's like, wanolabawo bulijo tugenderawo dakiika 15. We were ready in 3 hours. Then he put his phone on loudspeaker. He called some other guy. Over called Kasim. Crew. Je wale ko Kasim? Kale simu. Mukambota Kasim. Ebyo kusala soko biveko. Kati mbadde mbuuza. Empewo webiva ku sausi. Tukola tutya. On loudspeaker, remember. Kasim like, muli banaka? Tituli 14. Kati kyemugenda okola. Bana baveeko. Like it's a bad experience everywhere. That is why me, I think up to now I've had very bad experiences when it even comes to mathematics in school. All those things I just don't want to know. Mathematics is psychological torture to human beings that the government should remove from the syllabus. Have you ever prepared for a math exam and you know this time you have 98%? You read logarithms, you read Smanya, you read sets, you read which other topics are there in mathematics? Graphs, you read Smanya syntax, error, constitution, you revise everything. Then you read reach the paper, they're like, start. You look at question 1. Without using a ruler, a mathematical set, calculator, or even a pen. Calculate the angle between an obtuse that is greater than 80 degrees but less than 95 degrees and use the square root of 41 as the LCM. In bracket, 30 marks. Your brain starts debating. No, this question is for senior 6. It's not for senior 2. Oh no. Let me just do the next questions. Then you go to the next question. Using the answer you got from question 1. Thank you, Okanako is my name.
Ana muzunga alinako nako mukazidideko bakusawo kazide mubala kutama bakuyitwa musasimbo wakana serebala ya naye bwe wale kujja iregera okujirira olwairo batukozeeko bulungi aliko muyayeko kyekikubye edulu aliwono ono omuntu omutini gwe saa kubye edulu. Oh my God, I love those guys. Why is looking around? Olaba kyesimo kwagala ko obwana. Pulira. Kati okalabako. Bwe obwana bwe bayita bu beautiful. Bubaka kagambo beautiful. Cute babies. Kati abo baba kawe kirabo. Pretty. Era kati ako kaina amanya. Ekirabo kibako lwapa ya pinki. Bwina amanya gabo. Gabaganja ulu kati. Chanel. Chantwit, Champuit, Champagani, Champrit. Bwegatyo. Osha musanga mwita doka soyo. Oba omodi. Kudiro chimoporosi. Era nabirabo bebamuwa. Biba byanjawulo ku mazalibwa. Erinya terisa lwako le bamutuma. Kati shamba musiko vya siko. Siko. Tebamutuma lisalwako liba lyemalirira. Ekirabo kifaanana kitya. Baba nebirabo byabwe biba byanjawulo kugeza. Katono banamuwa ekirabo bamuletera obugatto Kutya. Akanya kambuzeeko sindaleera shoes. Obugatto. N'obutete. Akatete ndowooza okalaba. Kagambo kesokodde. Kanvudde we kabadde nokaduse. Bigambo by'oluzungu binneebalama nnyo. Njagala tumira omwami ng'olina omukyala bw'atyo omwana ng'oyo ng'akuze ng'oli naye ng'akuze abo abantu munne beekanasa. Batya. Baleta ice cream namutunaga mama, my God, I'm not going to eat this. I want strawberry. That's akacupa kamulabikidde bubi beekanasa. N'ekiisasa kiri ekintu ekyo. Kimu. Kilo 2 ada babana tebejisa abamu kilo 2 nga sinna ne sound efe kabambi te kabitegere ono bitegerera nga twafwadda ali obutwakera osa chali wonze efe sha ala basamu achali oba ako samu amana fana byo oyo myeteza kusoka ku sina jenga gaze babuli nenga mwebale kujja abana mukubireko ku White Benda ku bugalo mukubire ku ngalo omwana oyo yamaze obatannaba naye yasala omutwe gumulinga lubalaza lwasaba omutwe omwana oyo watu omutwe kakati ayidenge ejja kuzuuza mu video kubanga kibuloka jinja lyokuntaana sasa anasenga gundi ono talina kalevu bafaanana radio ani White Benda yabulako katini afaanana David Utalo katini senga David Utalo jasha yongeramu ku nviiri awo kati nabaana nayimpa Benda nga
men kiri kiki stay there. Oh, thank God. I thought I was going to find a witch in the audience today again. You know, witchcraft is when you buy a dress and you wear it once. The next time you wear it, it's not fitting you. Look at the stomach. Worms kabis. To come growing fat in other areas, now the legs, they have refused to increase. Okay, it is the weather. You know, in science, they say when it is cold, objects shrink. By the time the any son ends if I may be left with nothing. You know? But I'd like to congratulate all the ladies in the audience. This weather was not doing. Some of you are pregnant already, just you don't know. Single men are looking for victims left, right, and center. You know when it is hot, men go to the bar for internal factors. Just to drink, get drunk, and go home. But now it is cold, they are invading bars for external factors. Optical nutrition. And in every bar there is that waitress whose witchcraft is stronger than for the rest. Now when a man goes there, every time she passes, he also turns. She passes, he also turns. I was with my brother out. There's this waitress at Jacobos when she has an ass. I mean, I am straight, but even me, I said, Every time she would pass, the man would. Every time. He was drinking 9, but the boys are ordering for things he's not taking. The woman would pass Nyabo, let her bear. She passes Nyabo, let her Guinness. The last time the woman passed Nyabo, let her Eagle Lager, they didn't have. Said, it's okay, let her oxygen. The woman said, but that is for free, it's okay, I'll pay for it. What weather is not doing to men, But there are some women who are being very creative. I have my friend Becky, she called me like, Aggie, come I take you for Chikara, you girl have made man. I'm like, yeah, Becky. But yesterday I talked to you, you said you didn't have money. Aggie, no. I got chair, you guys have paid me. I'm like, no, I was happy. I said, Becky, when I come, tell me about it. She's like, Aggie, do you know that since morning, 4 men have sent me transport to go to their homes? And I went to get that 100,000, they said in Uganda. Nina mutwalo 10 you girl, changu together. I'm like, Becky, all those 4 men, how are you going to go to their homes? Aggie, say, Becky, I am going to switch off this phone, remove the battery and the earpiece. Where will they find me? Women are being creative because of the weather. But I know some of you here, they are eating you from your own houses, in your own homes. You are they are charging the phone from there. The man is eating your food. That is real witchcraft, my sister. And after 2 weeks, after a month and a half, you'll send him a message. I am pregnant, and they'll leave you on 2 blue ticks for 2 days. Someone saying, I know. Kongs. You at least they made answer. Some of these ladies, they'll leave you on 2 blue ticks, and there's nothing that annoys women. You know when someone ignores your message, you will give an excuse immediately and say, maybe he's busy. He will reply later. But after 2 days, you start looking for excuses. Like, it seems someone overthrew my government already. They did on me a Kaihura and I don't know. You start getting excuses, worries, and you just put funny reasons just to, console yourself. But after a week and the man has not, as women, we put in feelings very badly. Me personally, you ignore my message for a week. I will delete your number, even if I have it offhand. I will delete it. And wait, you'll send me a message. I will save the number, but ignore your message. All ladies do this, I am sure they are relating. Then after 2 days, you call me. I'll even say, well, does a mom want now? Then I'll pick and say, hello. Yes, please, who is this? Johanga, you saved him as a mom in your phone. Women, we are going to hell. Some of us don't use us as firewood there, I'm sure.